All right, so now that we know that solving inequalities is very similar to solving equations, there's one difference. Okay, so there's one time where things will be different, and that is when are dealing with negatives. Okay, so here's the rule. Make sure you fill in these words. When you are multiplying or dividing, so anytime you're multiplying or dividing by a negative number, the inequality sign is going to flip. So again, when you are multiplying or dividing by a negative number, our inequality sign is going to flip. Not when we're adding or subtracting, not when we're multiplying or dividing with positive numbers, but when we're multiplying or dividing with a negative number. So let's look at an example right here. We're still going to draw our line down our inequality sign. Okay, and then we see that -4 and x are being multiplied. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide both sides by -4. Okay, we're going to divide both sides by -4. So if we divide this side by -4, we have to divide this side by -4. Okay, these two are going to cancel out, so we're going to end up with only x on this side. Now, here's where it changes. Since we divided by a -4, okay, so we are multiplying or dividing by a negative number, our inequality sign is going to flip. So our greater than sign is now going to turn into a less than sign. Okay, then we do 8 divided by -4 over here, which is -2. So everything stays the same except we're going to flip our sign when we're dividing or multiplying by a negative number. Okay, so let's look at one more. We have y divided by -6 is less than or equal to -8. Okay, since we're dividing over here, we know that we need to multiply by -6 on both sides to get our y by itself. So that stays the same. So put our line. Draw our line down our inequality sign. Okay, you go ahead and draw your line down your inequality sign. Mine's not cooperating. We're going to do times -6 on both sides. Okay, so -6 times over here times -6 on this side. These cancel out. We're left with y. Because we multiplied by a negative number, our sign flips. So now, instead of having less than or equal to, we're going to have greater than or equal to. So let's find that sign. Y is greater than or equal to -8 times -6 is positive 48. Okay, so again, nothing changes except for when we multiply or divide by a negative number, we're going to flip our sign the other direction. All right, now you're going to try, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems for you to do on your own. Please raise your hand and ask if you need help. Good luck.